Hey guys, today I'll show you how to export a board to Excel in Monday.com. First, open the board you want to export. At the top right of the board, click the three-dot menu, then from the drop-down, select More Actions, then Export Board to Excel. Next, a window will appear asking if you want to include items only, items plus updates, and/or sub-items. Select your desired options, then click Export. The file will download as a .xlsx file with your board's data. Once the file is downloaded, open it in Excel. You'll see your board's groups and columns exported into rows and columns. Note that some features like group by views or conditional coloring don't transfer. And that's how you export a board to Excel in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.